Hey y'all, it's Jen. Thanks for stopping by. I'm re-recording projects that I lost the other day for my 100-day projects. I'm going to be making some little pockets out of some book pages that I shrunk down and printed very small. These are going to be little floating pockets. Here are the book pages that I used. These are digitals by TaylorMade Journals over on Etsy. This is the size they originally print, but I shrunk them down to print 4 to a page. I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it in half. And then on the front of the little pocket, I'm going to fold the front piece into a triangle. I'm going to fold it down. And I don't want to go all the way to the very center line. Just want to get kind of close. Actually, all of the digitals that I'll be using for today's project are from TaylorMade Journals. They are her Victorian Gothic kit and some of her antique book covers. Glue those corners down because I will be covering the inside of these. One, because I printed them on thin paper because for whatever reason my printer prints much better if the images are dark. It prints much better on thinner paper. They look a lot nicer. This is another one of the book covers. I am using it upside down on purpose. It says ferns, and for the journals that I'm using these pockets in, plants and botanicals sort of fit the theme, but they aren't the main focal point. They're a decorative element. Just backing the insides of all of these to thicken them up. I'm going to use book pages on the inside of this one because any excuse to use a book page is a good excuse if you're a junk journaler. Just doing some trimming. I do have a little bit of OCD sometimes when it comes to crafting. It's just the way it is. And you see that little spot where the photo frame was? You can't see the people, and it doesn't really have definition. So I'm going to take another one of her book covers and steal the music strip off the front of it. Just going to rip it down. Sorry about the noisy birds. My cave swallows came back the other day, which means winter is over for us. And they are currently fighting over who's going to get what nesting areas. So they're really, really loud this time of year. So on this project, I am using ground espresso distress oxide. And when you see me inking, that's what I'll be using. I'm going to use this little music strip that I tore out like you would use washi, and just kind of put it across there and flip the piece over, wrap it around, glue the other side down. Ink all the way around the piece, all the creases, get rid of all the white spots. I was seeing some white and I realized I needed to go around and ink the inside edges that were showing through a little bit in a few places. Now if you take this and you glue on these two edges and close it, you'll get a little pocket. I'm going to take mine to the sewing machine and stitch mine. I'm going to stitch across that diagonal section first, and then I'm going to close it up and I'm going to stitch all four sides all the way around. At the end of the video, I will show you the two that I made the other day. These are the two that I made today. I have stitched them together. I just used a straight stitch. Here's the little pocket. They came out nice. They feel great. I picked out some other papers. These are also book covers from Tailor-Made Journals, and I'll be making the journal cards for these pockets with these digitals. That will be on another video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you have a good rest of your evening. Here are the two little floating pockets I made the other day. Also Tailor-Made Journals digitals. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.